So, you see the thumbnail. That why you click, you want to learn. Okay, this means to not allow the hive mind or other people, especially women, to control you or to define who you are as a man. To define yourself instead and to have integrity, to follow your own credo, set of values, rules, standards, boundaries, and ways of living. A man who is self-reliant, managing his emotions, physical health, and mental well-being independently, and does not seek a woman to act as his caretaker, is attractive to emotionally healthy women who possess beauty, power, and a high level of awareness. These women respect and desire such a man. The world can be a harsh place, especially for those who lack purpose and guidance. For young men, particularly those in their teens or 20s, establishing a moral code and a set of principles to live by is essential. This is not only crucial for survival, but also for thriving as individuals. First, understand that you and your friends will evolve over the coming years. When choosing new friends, prioritize shared values over social vibes. Don't feel insecure if your peers excel in their careers while you seem to lag behind. Everyone works at their own pace. Avoid being pressured into jobs you dislike. For example, when I was in high school, many of my friends worked as cashiers and earned money. However, I realized early on that this path wasn't for me. I didn't want to work for someone else in a job I hated, only to retire in my 60s. Instead, I focused on learning the skills needed to start a business. By not succumbing to pressure, I positioned myself for future success. Doing what you love may lead to losing friends who don't support your journey. However, this will also introduce you to individuals who will help you progress further. If you want to be perceived as mature, practice good manners. In today's world, manners are often overlooked due to the influence of media. However, treating others with respect and humility is crucial for building healthy relationships, both in personal and professional settings. Returning to my business journey, it's important to learn about saving and investing. Developing these skills early on will set you on a path to financial independence and success. Don't wait until you have more money to start learning about investing. Begin now and gradually build up your portfolio. Your future self will thank you. Push yourself to the limit, but remember not to be too hard on yourself. As we always emphasize on the channel, whether it's semen retention or acquiring a new skill, your mind and body need to adapt gradually, just like progressive overload in the gym. In your mid to late 20s and 30s, find a great mentor, someone who holds you accountable for your progress, but doesn't seek credit for your achievements. This period is also when some young men might feel unlucky in dating. However, dating tends to become easier for men in their late 20s and 30s. By putting in the work now to build a better body and financial stability, you can position yourself among the top 1% of men by the time you are 30. Many men who seem lucky with women in their youth may become complacent, neglecting their purpose and indulging in temporary pleasures. If you're searching for your passion, stay busy trying different things. Inspiration often comes from actively working on something. Don't rush to be taken seriously as an adult. You'll miss the freedom of your early 20s once you reach adulthood. Take risks and embrace opportunities now, as this is the time to view the world with fresh eyes and minimal responsibility. Be kind, humble, and decent to others and yourself. Listen more, talk less, and work hard. Don't associate with lowlifes or become one yourself. It's easy to confuse ego with confidence, so stay grounded. Remember, these formative years will shape the rest of your life. The habits you establish now will become deeply ingrained and difficult to change later. What you sow now, you will reap in the future. If you choose to adopt negative habits like drinking and consuming pornography, your mind will adapt to these behaviors. Conversely, developing positive habits, such as reading or listening to audiobooks for at least an hour each day, will yield impressive results over time. This period of your life is crucial. Every uncomfortable situation you avoid is a missed opportunity for growth, and you'll regret these missed experiences later on. Engage in everything around you, even if you think you're not good at it. You might be surprised at your potential. Focus on maintaining both mental and physical fitness to save yourself from future troubles and expenses. This decade will also bring many confrontations with you and your loved ones. Don't let these conflicts disturb your peace of mind. Pay attention to your father's advice. You'll learn many essential life lessons from him, and understand that he, too, is only human. The perspective you develop now will stay with you for life. Make meditation a habit and start praying regularly. A man's strength often comes from who he looks up to. If you seek guidance from a higher power, you'll find success in various aspects of your life. You'll face many distractions, including people who promise much to exploit you. Be vigilant against betrayal and understand that you're on your own. Over the years, I've seen many men ruin their lives in the pursuit of passion. While it's important to find and work on your passion, it's easy to lose your way and end up with no clear goals. For example, some people switch university courses multiple times or jump from one business idea to the next without allowing any of them to succeed fully. This is what's known as the shiny object syndrome. Don't fall for it. Be mindful of what you say to others. Speaking too much can lead to a lack of respect, but ignoring everything can isolate you. Your reputation will be defined by your connections and your involvement in your community. Protect your reputation and set clear boundaries with friends, family, and partner. Despite the stigma around mental illness, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Depression can arise from insecurities born from negative experiences. Discussing your traumas and insecurities can be challenging, so find a good listener. Avoid sharing your darkest secrets with your partner. Instead, talk to a male figure who can offer straightforward advice. In moments of worry, begin to control your life and its situations. Lastly, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. Stay tuned for more tips on leveling up as a man.